Do you want to play like this? But hit reg says no, and you end up losing like this.
Bruh.
We're here to fix that for you. We've prepared a full Windows optimization, including all the most important tweaks that will help you boost your FPS, eliminate input lag, and fix your network issues. Let's get straight into it. First, we're going to start with changing the value of Win32 priority separation. Open the search menu and type regedit. Paste the path that leads to priority control. We'll leave that in the video description so you can copy it once you're there. Right-click, click, modify, and select decimal. Now type in a value of 40, setting its value to 40 wields. The best results and tremendously reduces input lag and improves the mouse feeling, both in game and on the desktop. Right-click on your desktop and select NVIDIA Control Panel. Now go to Adjust Image Settings, then go down and select Use My Preference, and drag the slider all the way to the left side. Click Apply, and then select Manage 3D Settings. Scroll down and set Open Rendering GPU to your dedicated graphics card. Now go to Power Management Mode and select Prefer Maximum Performance. Next up is Preferred Refresh Rate. We'll set that to highest available. Next, go to Texture Filtering and set it to High Performance. And finally, go to Threaded Optimization and set it to Off, as it's known to cause FPS drops in Valorant. Specifically click Apply, and we're ready to move on to the next step, moving on to the Physics tab. All you have to do here is change the processor from auto to your main graphics card. This resolves most high DPC latency issues in Windows 10 and 11. Now we'll go to Change Resolution just to make sure our refresh rate is set correctly. Scroll down until you find the PC section, then select your resolution and refresh rate in the drop-down. On the right, click Apply to save your changes. Now the next one is very important when it comes to mouse field and input. LB, head over to Adjust Desktop Size and Position. You probably have your scaling set to aspect ratio. If you really want nearly zero input lag, make sure you use no scaling in the NVIDIA Control Panel. Now click Apply, and we're done. All right, guys. I really want to use this moment to talk about full screen optimizations, as it seems a lot of people, including pros like 10, are confused about this very Windows setting whenever. So in short, setting full screen optimizations to off through the desktop shortcut of the game won't have any effect on the actual game. The proper way to do it would be to go to where the game files are. In my case, it's C Riot Games Valorant. Then go to the Live folder, double-click on Shooter Game Binaries. Win64, then scroll down and find the Valorant executable file now, right-click on it, select Properties, then head over to the Compatibility tab. Once you're there, we can finally tick Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Then click Apply and OK to save the changes for the next one. We'll go ahead and type Power in the search menu. Then go down and click on Choose a Power Plan. Go ahead and click Show Additional Plans and select High Performance. Now go to Change Plan Settings, then click Change. Advanced Power Settings once you're there. Scroll down and select USB Settings, then USB Selective Suspense Setting and set it to Disabled. This helps a lot with DPC latencies and input lag in general. Next up is pausing Windows updates. Head down to the Settings, then navigate to Windows Update. Now click Pause Updates and pause them for as long as possible, so they don't interrupt your gaming sessions if you really want to keep receiving updates. Let's talk about hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling and Windows Game Mode. Here's a benchmark mark showing the results with them on and off. In conclusion, it's best to turn them both off for the best performance. Navigate down to the Windows settings. Now head over to the Gaming tab, click on Game Mode, then turn the slider off. Once that's done, head over to the Graphics tab. Click it and go down to Advanced Graphics Settings and turn off Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. Now all you have to do is restart your PC for the changes to take effect. Next up, we'll disable Game DVR. To do so, open the search menu and type regedit. Run it as administrator and click Yes. Now paste the path leading to GameConfigStore from the video description and paste it in the bar. Double-click on Game DVR enabled and set a value of 0. Then click OK. Then exit the application. Now we'll go and stop apps from running in the background. In the search menu, type gpedit.mmsc. Now run the group policy as administrator. Once you're there, head over to Administrative Templates, Windows Components, then App Privacy. Scroll down until you find Let Windows Apps Run in the Background. Double-click it and set the policy to Disable. Click Apply, then OK and exit the policy editor. Here's a quick keyboard input lag fix that not many of you know about. Open the search bar and type Services. Click on any service and press H repeatedly until you find Human Interface Device Service. Double-click to open the service settings. Now, if you have a multimedia keyboard, I do not recommend you disable this service as some of your buttons. For example, the volume knob or the microphone mute button might stop working. However, if you have no such keys, feel free to go ahead and disable it. Now click Apply and OK, then exit the Services tab. And finally, we'll go over to the network settings by clicking the network icon, select Network, and Internet Settings. Head down and select Advanced Network Settings. Now on the top, open the drop-down menu and click Edit next to More Adapter Options. The last 3 options will be checked by default. We'll make sure to disable them as they're not required for gaming, and IPv6 causes weird network issues in some games. Once that's done, click OK. To save your changes, we'll go ahead and update our network drivers and disable power. Saving, click Edit again, but this time we'll go to Configure, click on it. Then open the Power Management tab on the top. Once you're there, make sure all power-saving features are disabled. Then feel free to click on the Driver tab and click Update Driver. If a newer network driver is found, Windows will automatically install it for you. If a new one was installed, click Close and restart your PC for the changes to take effect. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more videos. Next on the list is BIOS optimizations, which is dropping next week. Join our Discord by following the link in the video description, and some sweet discounts when you get your PC optimized by BIOS. We'll also be doing free optimization. And more on our Discord very, very soon anyway. That's all for now, and I'll catch you in the next one.